pajama, rolled out of bed, and she ran to the police station. When the papa found out, he began to shout, and he started the investigation. Well, it's against the law. It's against the law. What the mama saw, it was against the law. Well, mama looked down and spit on the ground every time my name got mentioned. Papa said, boy, when I get that son, I'm gonna stick him in the house of detention. Well, I'm on my way. I don't know where I'm going. I'm on my way. I'm taking my time, but I know what I got. Goodbye, Rosie, Queen of Corona. Sammy and Julio down by the schoolyard. Sammy and Julio down by the schoolyard.